At Thayer'S Marine, our mission is to make your boating experience not only memorable, but magnificent. We offer 4 generations and more than 50 years of boating know-how, plus more than 100 new and used boats in stock. With customer satisfaction scores that consistently exceed 90%, we're your #1 source for fun on the water. Learn more at Thayer'sMarine.com.
Come visit our newly renovated 40-boat showroom at 14 Falls Avenue in Norwich, just minutes from Foxwoods and Mohegan Sun on the Thames River. We'll show you why we're the #1 Stratus dealer in the country, the #1 Evinrude dealer in New England, and one of the nation's top Triton dealers. Ask us to tell you more about our unbelievable name brand selection.